Hi all, I'm Rachna. Today we are going to look into PutItem operation of Amazon Dynamo DB connector in Mule 4. What PutItem operation basically do? PutItem operation creates a new item or replaces an existing item with a new item. If a new item has the same primary key as that of an existing item in a specified table, the new item completely replaces the existing item. Okay. When we add an item, the primary key attributes are the only required attribute, but it cannot be null. Either it can be an empty string or a binary attributed values. Before looking into our flow, let us see what and all the fields I have in my DynamoDB table. In my DynamoDB table, I have ID, SK, and name attributes. And these attributes are string data type. Now, let us see the flow in my AnyPoint Studio. Okay. My basic flow consists of an listener, transform message, put item, connector. For a put item connector, I need to construct my payload. As we already saw, my DB was having three attributes, that is ID, SK, and name. And all these are string data type. So I'm explicitly mentioning for a Dynamo DB that I'm sending a string data type with a double quote stay as S. S stands for string attribute name in the Dynamo DB. And my put item connector looks like this, and the basic configuration in general are, which consists of an connector configuration. Let's see how what and all I have given over here. I have provided an access key, secret key, and followed by a region endpoint for my Amazon DynamoDB configuration. Once I have already constructed my payload, I'll be passing that payload in the column in general for an item. I'm be passing that payload followed by the table name as a whatever the DB table name I have. Now let us look into a demo. I'm inserting an student with student ID 004 with the student name as Rachna. Okay, my flow is success. Let's see whether it has been inserted into a DB. See, items was existing were 5. I'm refreshing. Okay, now items returned is 6. As you can see, this has been already inserted with the student name. As I said, if an already key is, if already primary key exists and I'm trying to insert the same primary key, the existing value will be replaced. Let's see that. I'm changing Rachna to demo. The flow is success. Okay. The name is changed to demo. I hope the session was useful. Thank you. Happy learning.